Dear students, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So we have already finished 16 objective questions. Now you must have seen that there are two questions such as case study is introduced this year in the sample paper. That means it will come in the examination. So we'll discuss how to solve case study questions, or we'll discuss something about it. So this is the sample paper, the instructions. Here we have discussed that part A has objective type questions, part B has descriptive type question. Part A has your, again, two parts. One is first part, second part we have already done. It is 16 very short answer type of questions. And section 2 contains two case studies. Each case study comprises 5 case-based MCQ. And an examinee has to attempt any 4 out of 5. So here both case study questions are compulsory. Attempt any 4 subparts. It is not 17 to 21. It will be 17 questions, part 1 to part 5th. And here it is 18, your part 1 to part 5th. And each question carries 4 marks, but there is a choice. You have to attempt only 4 out of 5. So one question is from maxima minima. It has been asked from maxima, and second is from probability. Especially it is from Bayes theorem. So it carries your 4 marks each. 4 questions, 1 mark each, that will be 4. Now let us go for questions. So question number 17. Here a diagram is given, so you have to read the question very carefully. An architect designs a building for a multinational company. The floor consists of a rectangular region with a semicircular end having a perimeter your 200 meter as shown below. This is the picture, base, design of the floor, and from this the length of the rectangular portion is x and the breadth is y, and there is a semicircle both the sides. Now coming to part 1 question. If x and y represent the length and breadth of the rectangular region, then the relation between the variables is, and how to get the relation will, what you will read, what is given. Given is perimeter is 200 meter. Now see, it is simple. As you have done many questions, you will find the perimeter of this whole floor. It is your x, and this side is also x, and this is a semicircle, so whose area radius is equal to your pi by 2. So both the sides it will be half circle, so it will be 2 pi r, because it is a complete circle. So how much it will be? It will be 2 pi into y by 2. So this will be how much? It will be pi y. So that means 2x plus pi y is equal to your 200. 2x plus pi y is equal to 200. So this is the answer. Which one is the answer? Answer is B is the answer. Now coming to second part. The area of the rectangular region is expressed as a function of x. Area of the rectangular region is how much? X into y. So from the previous expression was what? It was 2x plus pi y is equal to 200. That means when we'll get the area of this rectangular portion, this is your x into y. X into y. So area is equal to x into y. So you have to eliminate y from this expression and put it. So you can do it. A is equal to what? Y is equal to x into And what about y? Write down pi y is equal to 200 minus 2x. Or how much y? Y is equal to 2. I can take common 100 minus x upon your pi. So multiply here. So 2 into 100 minus x by pi. How much you are getting? Which part you are getting? A is equal to your how much? 2 by pi. I can write and I can multiply 100x minus x square. Is this such expression is there? Yes, this is A is the answer. This will be the answer. You will write A is the answer. You will write A is equal to. Don't tick mark, write down the answer. So answer is A. It is 2 by pi into 100x minus x square. Now coming to third part. Third part is maximum value of the area. So we have already got an area. What was it? It was 2 by pi into 100x minus x square. This is area. Now when I want the maximum area, maximum value of the area. Its derivative must be equal to 0. So dA to dx is equal to 0. dA to dx, see, do the derivation correctly. So it will be 100 minus 2x. So 100 minus 2x is equal to 0. So how much will be x then? 2x is equal to 100. So x is equal to your 50. Now put in this function. Area is equal to 2 by pi into 100 into your 50 minus 50 square. 50 square is 2500. So you are getting how much? 2 into, if we simplify 5000 minus this, it will be 2500 by pi. So is there any answer? 5000 by pi, that was the answer. So here case study means you have to do by part. In the long question restricted type you are doing together, we are doing part of the answer. And sometimes first you will go through the questions, all the questions, because you may find that some parts have the questions which you solved earlier. That means first you find out, so that may be given in the second or third thing. Now we are coming to fourth part. The CEO of the multinational company is interested in maximizing the area of the whole floor, including the semicircular ends. That means in the area he wants to include this. To find maximum area. For this to happen, what would be the value of x? What should be the value of x? So that we'll get maximum area, including this semicircle. So area of the rectangle, we have already got it, x into y, and we have replaced y. This is y was 2 by pi into 100 minus x. So we got it as how much? Now 2 by pi into 100x minus x square. And we have got the maximum area also. Now what we'll take? We'll take the semicircular end. Semicircular end with radius is y by 2. And there are two semicircle on both the sides. So it will give you a complete circle. And area of the circle is your pi r square. So pi y by y square by 4. Now replacing your y as x, I'll get area of the circle will be pi by 4 into your 2 by pi 100 minus x whole square. You will simplify 4 cancelled, 1 pi will be cancelled, it will be 100 minus x whole square. So next is what I'll get? I'll get total area. Total area including the circular region. It will be 2 by pi 100x minus x square plus how much? 1 by pi into 100 minus x whole square. Now dA to dx is 0. So 1 by pi I am taking outside. It will be 2 into x derivative is 1. So it will be 100 minus x square is 2x. And here how much it will be? It will be minus 2 into 100 minus x. This is equal to 0. Now simplify this. So this will be 200, or you can take common 200 minus 4x minus 200 plus 2x is equal to 0. 200 is cancelled. So how much you are getting? You are getting x is equal to 0. Interestingly, we are getting x is equal to 0. So where is the answer? Answer is a is equal to x is equal to 0 is the answer. So there will be no x for it. So is it possible? Now coming to fifth part. What is fifth part? The extra area generated if the area of the whole floor is maximized. Can it be maximized? It cannot be maximized because for maximum area we are getting x is equal to 0. For maximum area we got x is equal to 0. So this is not possible. This is not possible to. I'm all writing for your convenience, for your understanding. In MCQ question, you don't write anything. This is not possible to generate extra area. So which one will be answer? Answer will be no change both area. No change, or the previous area will be constant. No change both area. I hope you have understood. Please like in the comment section. Now question number 18. In an office, this is question from Bayes theorem or your conditional probability also. In an office, 3 employees, your Binoy, Sonia, Iqbal, process incoming copies of certain form. Binoy processes 50% forms. There is a Binoy, then Sonia, then your Iqbal. Binoy process 50% of things. Sonia, your 20%, and Iqbal 30%. Binoy also commits error 0.606, and Sonia 0.04, and Iqbal 0.03. So sometimes for this type of question, you calculate the total probability. Total probability, that means error from each of them. So when you have to find what is the possibility of error, you multiply all this respectively and you add it, which is your sample space. So this will be also in one part of the question, because this is a very important concept. But the first part is what? Based on the above information, answer the following. The conditional probability that error is committed in processing, given that Sonia processing in the form. Sonia is processing and she is getting error. So what is it? It is only 0.4. So 0.04 is the answer. Which one is the answer? 0.04. B is the answer. Sonia is processing and she is making error. This is 0.04. Next, the probability that Sonia processed in the form committed an error. That means this is your Sonia processing and committed an error. That means there is a error. Probability of error from Sonia. So this is same as probability of error from Sonia into probability of Sonia doing the form. So error from Sonia is how much? It will be your 0.04 multiplies how much Sonia is processing, 20%. So 20 by 100 or 0.20. So what is the answer? Answer will be 0.008. Answer is 0.008. Where is it? It is C. Okay. In our question, we take E1. In the textbook question, we take E2. You take E3. Then you take as error, suppose A by E1, A by E2, A by E3. It is given. Now for this question, it is what will be the Sonia is making error. That means A by E2 multiplies A2. This is the answer is, that means I'm explaining the concept again. That means it is Sonia is making error. That means if I'll take Sonia as E2, then E2 your intersection, your error. So how much it will be? It will be error from E2 into probability of E2. Error from E2 multiplies a probability of E2 if E2 is the Sonia. So we are multiplying this one. So what is the answer? Answer is 0.005. C is the answer. Now question number 3. The total probability of committing. Why? As I was telling, the total probability. Always there will be a question of total probability of doing this sum. So total. So next question part 3. The total probability of the committing error. As I told, the total probability is a very important question. Total probability of committing error is, it is from everybody. That means probability of your Binoy as well as error from Binoy. Probability of Sonia into probability of error from Sonia plus probability of Iqbal into probability of error from Iqbal. So put the value and get the answer. Here it will be 50%. So 50% I am writing 0.5 into 0.06. Committing error is 0.06. Sonia has 0.04 and it is 20%. So 20% I am writing 0.2, 0.2 multiplies your 0.04 plus this will be 30% and 0.03. So 0.3 into 0.03. So multiply, it will be how much? It will be 0.03 plus 0.008 plus 0.009. 009, not 8, it will be 9. Let me rub and write again. This will be 009. Now add them, you will get 0.30. This is 30, so it will be 0.047. So the answer is B is the answer. Next is fourth part. Fourth part is the manager of a company wants to quality check. During the inspection, he selects a form and random find the day's output of the processed form. If the form selected at random has an error, the probability that the form is not processed by Vinay, not processed by Vinay. That means either you will get Sonia as well as your Iqbal, or we can get the error by Vinay and complement of it. Okay, so error from your Vinay is equal to, how to get it? It will be probability of error from Vinay into probability of Vinay by total probability. So total probability we have already got it. How much? It will be 0.047. And what about this probability of committing error Vinay? Vinay is 0.06 and he is doing 50% of sum. So it will 50% of form. So 0.5. So this will be 0.03 by 0.047. How much it is? It will be 30 by 47. But this is for committing error. But it is not by Binay. So from Binay, not from Binay. Not from Binay will be how much? 1 minus 30 by 47. How much it is the answer? It will be 17 by 47. 17 by 47 is the answer. Now coming to your last one. If A is the event of committing an error processing the form, E1, E2, E3 event, Binoy Shunya equal process the form, then the summation of probability of E, I when error has already committed, it is always summation is your 1. So D is equal to 1. That means this each committing error individually will find out and he will take the sum E1 by A E1. Thank you all the subscribers to support this channel. Please subscribe. Thank you.